I went broke on purpose for 7 days to get rich. If you're constantly thinking about money, but it never stays, this video is for you. I did something that sounds insane. I chose to go broke on purpose for 7 days. No impulse spending, no comfort, no distractions. And what happened next changed how I see money forever. Stay until the end, because I'll give you the exact reset that can rewire your financial future in just 1 week. Don't scroll. This could be the shift you've been waiting for. Here were the rules of the challenge. For 7 days, I only spent money on essentials. Every day I had to. Track every dollar. Sell one thing. Pitch one offer. Learn one monetizable skill for 30 minutes. If I broke the rules, the challenge failed. The goal wasn't to save money. It was to rebuild discipline and control. And the first problem hit way faster than I expected. By day 1, my brain was screaming. Cravings, justifications. You deserve this. I realized something uncomfortable. Most people aren't broke because they lack money. They're broke because they lack control. And control hurts before it empowers. What happened on day 2 nearly made me quit. Day 2 brought anxiety. Day 3 brought clarity. I started noticing patterns. Impulse wasn't hunger, as it was boredom. Spending wasn't necessity, it was emotion. As I tracked every dollar, my mind slowed down. This wasn't about money anymore, it was about identity. Then came the first unexpected win. Let me tell you about Alex. He felt stuck, always chasing money, always stressed. When he tried a similar reset, the first days were brutal. But on day 4, he sold something small online. Not life-changing money, but life-changing proof. Proof that action beats hope. What changed wasn't his income, and it was his confidence. And on day 4, the same thing happened to me. Listen to me for a second. This is the most important moment of the video. If this is waking you up, smash the like button like you're breaking financial autopilot. Comment below. I control my money. And if you're not subscribed, hit that bell and the next challenge goes even deeper. Share this with someone who needs discipline more than motivation. Now stay, the hardest part is coming. Day 5 was temptation. Old habits knocking loudly. Day 6 was discipline, quieter but stronger. I pitched an idea I'd been avoiding for months. It wasn't perfect, but it worked. Not because I was lucky, but because I showed up. And then came the moment that changed everything. Do this with me now. Take a slow breath. Ask yourself, what am I spending to avoid feeling? If something clicked, that's awareness turning into power. Money responds to clarity. Now let me show you the metaphor that explains all of this. Think of money like a wild horse. Most people chase it, yell at it, beg it to come closer. But the horse doesn't respond to noise, it responds to calm authority. When you stop chasing, when you stand grounded, the horse comes to you. That's what these 7 days did. I didn't chase money. I became someone money could trust. And that leads to the final revelation. Here's the truth. Going broke on purpose didn't make me poorer, it made me powerful. The 7-day reset checklist. 1. No impulse spending. 2. Track every dollar. 3. Sell one thing daily. Or pitch one offer daily. 4. Learn one monetizable skill for 30 minutes. 6. Reflect nightly. Control, comfort. 7. Repeat until discipline becomes identity. This is how money starts chasing you. This isn't the end, it's the beginning. Every video on Money Mastery X is another piece of the system your mind needs to build real wealth. If you keep watching, your thinking sharpens, your discipline strengthens, and your income follows. Don't just want money. Become someone money respects. Watch the next video. Your breakthrough doesn't wait.